Free Geek Twin Cities is a 501c3 nonprofit. We've been around since 2010 here in Minneapolis, and our main mission is to keep e-waste out of landfills. And the way that we do that is we accept donations of electronics and computers from the public. We refurbish what we can, and we resell those items at a low cost in our thrift store. And what we can't refurbish, we recycle.
So the belt was loose?
Once a week, we do a fix-it clinic. We have our techs here.
I see where he has the thing.
The public signs up for a spot, and they bring their items to us. It can be anything from troubleshooting a computer to fixing an old turntable.
Yeah.
So it really runs the gamut. We really never know what we're going to get.
We have a CD player and radio that quit functioning, and Steve is really going at it here. He's got it ripped in little pieces, so we'll see what he can do. I'm hopeful.
It's really satisfying to help people learn how to give their electronics a second life, to understand that it's not always that difficult to fix things.
Hey, maybe there was dirt in the switch or something.
Now that I know this place is here, I can bring other things that we don't want before throwing it away.